Are you looking for reliable cloud hosting without spending a fortune? In this video, I will show you exactly how to get Vultr Free Credit in 2026 and start deploying virtual machines, Kubernetes clusters, databases, and high-performance cloud instances for free. For those who do not know, Vultr is a global cloud provider with data centers in major regions including North America, Europe, Asia, and Oceania. The platform is known for competitive pricing, fast NVMe storage, and scalable infrastructure that supports developers, startups, and enterprises worldwide. Now, let's talk about what matters: how to claim your Vultr Free Credit. Step 1. Create a new Vultr account using an official activation link or promotional code. These links may include bonus credits such as $100 or more, depending on current promotions. Step 2. After signing up, verify your account with either a credit card or PayPal. Verification is required to unlock your Vultr Free Credit and prevent abuse. Step 3. Once verified, your free credits will appear in the billing dashboard. You can now deploy cloud servers in strategic regions based on your target geography. This is essential for GEO performance in 2026, especially if you want low-latency access for local users. With these credits activated, you can test virtual machines, object storage, load balancers, or managed Kubernetes without spending money upfront. This is perfect for developers testing production workloads, agencies deploying client apps, or students learning cloud infrastructure. Before you go, here are a few important notes. First, free credits are time-limited. Check expiration dates inside your billing panel. Second, free credits do not apply to certain third-party services or add-ons. Finally, if you scale resources beyond your credit limit, you will be billed normally. If you found this guide valuable, subscribe to the channel and share this video with anyone looking for Vultr Free Credit in 2026. Drop your questions in the comments and I will respond with updated promo details and new credit opportunities as they become available. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.